At Simplified Reads, we understand that breakups are one of life's most emotionally challenging experiences. Heartbreak can leave you feeling lost, overwhelmed, and uncertain about how to move forward. But books have the power to guide, comfort, and empower you through this process. In this video, we'll explore 10 books published in 2024 to 2025 that can help you navigate heartbreak, rebuild self-esteem, process emotions, and regain a sense of direction. Each book brings a unique perspective, whether it's through actionable guidance, reflective exercises, or emotional storytelling, ensuring there's something for every reader's stage of healing. Breakup on Purpose, A Catalyst for Growth by John Kim, December 2024, offers a transformative approach to heartbreak, framing breakups as opportunities for personal growth rather than just loss. Kim categorizes breakups into 8 types and guides readers through a 3-part system combining storytelling, reflective exercises, and practical breakthrough work. This allows you to identify your breakup type, understand your feelings deeply, and take actionable steps towards self-discovery. Its strength lies in helping readers see the breakup as a pivotal moment for change and growth, but some may feel their personal experience doesn't fit neatly into Kim's categories. Others might find the tone familiar if they've read many self-help books. To maximize value, engage actively with the exercises, journal your reflections, and track your personal breakthroughs. The hardcover is priced around US $27.99, with international shipping available, including Kenya. The Teen Breakup Survival Guide by Lenora M. Ziegler, October 2024, provides a highly practical toolkit for processing heartbreak through emotional regulation, self-compassion, communication, and boundary setting. While it's aimed at teens, the 9 key skills it teaches, reframing negative thoughts, managing intense emotions, and improving self-esteem, are universally applicable. Its clear structure and evidence-based approach make it ideal for readers seeking step-by-step guidance. However, adult readers may find some examples less relatable, particularly if they experienced long-term or highly complex relationships. To get the most out of this book, treat it like a workbook. Do the exercises, adapt the examples to your own life, and revisit the skills regularly. Paperback is listed at US $19.95, and the ebook version offers convenient access in Kenya. How to Love Better by Young Pueblo, March 2025, focuses on self-love and personal growth, emphasizing that healing your relationship with yourself lays the foundation for healthier future relationships. This book blends poetry, personal anecdotes, and reflective advice to explore attachment, emotional resilience, and compassion. Its strength lies in encouraging deep introspection, helping readers process grief while fostering self-awareness and empathy. The limitation is that it's less structured than a traditional self-help workbook, and those seeking step-by-step recovery instructions may find it reflective rather than actionable. To fully benefit, read slowly, highlight meaningful passages, and journal your reactions to integrate lessons into your healing journey. Hardcover pricing is around US $27, with international shipping or ebook options accessible in Kenya. Bossing Your Breakup, a breakup workbook by Kelly Davis, April 2024, is specifically designed for readers ready to actively process their emotions and reclaim themselves. Packed with guided journaling prompts and reflective exercises, it emphasizes self-growth rather than rekindling past relationships. The interactive, hands-on approach is its greatest strength, allowing readers to confront their feelings head-on and document their progress. However, the workbook format may feel repetitive or overwhelming if you're still very raw, and its success relies on committed engagement. To extract maximum benefit, schedule dedicated sessions, approach each prompt honestly, and review previous entries to observe personal growth over time. The paperback is priced around US $16.95. The Trauma Bond Cured by Kelly Davis, June 2025, explores a complex, often overlooked aspect of breakups, trauma bonding. It helps readers identify unhealthy patterns that may have kept them attached to toxic relationships and offer strategies to rebuild boundaries, self-trust, and emotional independence. This book is particularly valuable for individuals recovering from manipulative or emotionally abusive relationships. Its intensity can be challenging, especially for readers whose breakups were straightforward, and professional support may enhance the healing process. For maximum benefit, reflect actively while reading, journal insights, and apply the guidance to reshape relationship patterns. Pricing is expected around $20-30 for the paperback, with shipping costs to Kenya varying by retailer. The Breakup Lists by Adib Khorram, August 2024, provides an engaging narrative approach to heartbreak. Through a relatable high school story of siblings navigating love, identity, and relational mishaps, it allows readers to process emotions via story rather than instruction. Its primary strength is emotional relatability and comfort, but it lacks structured exercises for active recovery. To maximize impact, reflect on key emotional moments in the story, journal personal connections, and use it as a complement to more practical recovery guides. Paperback is around $12.99, with international shipping to Kenya. Burning Your Breakup, a Breakup Burn Journal, 2024, by Kelly Davis combines journaling with symbolic ritual to help release lingering emotional pain. Writing down and burning feelings can provide catharsis and a tangible sense of letting go. This approach works best for those who benefit from active, physical engagement with their emotions. Limitations include the ritual's practicality and the fact that it emphasizes emotional release over structured guidance. For best results, complete the exercises consistently, reflect on your evolving feelings, and repeat the process as needed. Available online. Shipping costs will vary depending on your location. The No-Nonsense Breakup Recovery book by Jeffrey C. Chapman, January 2025, offers concise, action-oriented strategies to detach emotionally, rewire thought patterns, and reclaim your identity. Its brevity makes it accessible and easy to implement, while focusing on practical tools like establishing boundaries and creating new routines. Limitations include a lack of deep emotional exploration, making it less suitable for readers still in the intense grief stage. To maximize its usefulness, follow the exercises immediately, revisit sections when needed, and complement with journaling or counseling if necessary. Ebook and paperback are priced around $14.95. The Breakup Advice by Simplified Reads, April 2025, is a short, diary-style narrative detailing a young woman's journey through a toxic relationship. Its storytelling format allows readers to experience emotional resonance, recognize patterns, and process grief indirectly. The limitation is that it offers limited actionable guidance, making it most effective when paired with other structured recovery tools. To get the most out of it, reflect on each passage, journal your insights, and integrate lessons into your own healing. The ebook is priced at $3.21 and is easily accessible in Kenya. The Breakup Survival Kit, Essential Tools for Moving On and Finding Happiness Again by Emily Perry, January 2023, provides practical strategies for rebuilding self-esteem, managing pain, and fostering personal growth. While slightly outside the 2024 to 2025 window, it remains a valuable resource for readers seeking structured, actionable guidance. Its simplicity is a strength for clarity, but may feel basic for those experiencing complex or long-term heartbreak. Readers should pick strategies to implement immediately, track progress, and combine with journaling or other support systems. Ebook prices are around $2.99 and are highly accessible internationally. Breakups can feel isolating, but the right books provide guidance, comfort, and actionable tools to help you heal, grow, and regain a sense of purpose. At Simplified Reads, our mission is to simplify your journey through heartbreak by connecting you with resources that educate, inspire, and empower. These 10 titles cover emotional support, reflective practice, practical strategies, and storytelling, ensuring that no matter your stage of recovery, You can find a book to meet you where you are, guide your healing, and help you emerge stronger and more self-aware.